Have you ever wanted to know when the price of a certain asset will fall? Or have you ever wanted to know when the price of an asset will rise? Well, with this indicator, it's very much possible. Hello traders, welcome back to the Switch Stats channel. Today, I will be showing you a trading strategy that can be traded on any asset as long as there is enough volume and liquidity. It uses two free indicators that can show you where there is a high probability of companies or big institutions buying or selling the asset you are trading. I always try to keep the videos as short as possible, so let's get into the strategy. But before that, please like the video and subscribe to our channel to help us keep making these free videos for you guys. Now that we have gotten that out of the way, let's start. First things first, what is the strategy that we will be using and how does it work? The strategy works by finding points in the chart where there has been lots of sell volume or lots of buy volume. One way to find these points is with vector candles, since they show points in the chart where there was a sudden spike in directional volume. The other way to find these points is with order block finders. An order block finder looks at the chart and tries to find points in the chart where big companies or institutions will place buy or sell orders. Based on these buy and sell orders, we will be trading by trying to predict the future. Let's look at a practical example. Let's say that you are currently in a long position on the Bitcoin USD pair and you are looking to exit the trade. But Bob is an owner of a big company and is looking to sell his Bitcoin at $22,300. So, at that price point, Bob will sell all of his Bitcoin, and since Bob is in possession of a lot of Bitcoin, there will be a lot more sell volume than buy volume, and this will cause the price to crash. Now that you know this, you exit the long trade at $22,200 and enter into a short position. Because of all of the sell volume, the price goes down and you make a profit. I hope it's now a bit more clear how order blocks work and how traders can make a lot of profit by finding them. There are two ways of finding the order blocks. Either we can look at previous price action or we can look at the order book on the exchange on which you are trading. We will be using a free volume profile indicator and a high volume candle indicator. Now let's add the indicators to the chart. First, head over to TradingView and select the asset that you will be trading on. Like I said previously, this strategy works on any trend-respecting asset that has enough liquidity for you to trade on. Now head over to the Indicator Search tab and search for the Volume Profile/Fixed Range Indicator. Select the indicator made by Lonesome. Now that you have done that, we will need to add one more indicator to the chart. Head over to the Indicator Search tab and search for the High Volume Bars. Select the indicator made by Crypto Rife. Those were all the indicators that we will be adding. Now let's configure the indicator settings. First, head over to the Volume Profile settings and go to the Input tab. Now change the number of bars to 500. After that, change the row size to 75. We will keep the style settings the same, so that was all that we needed to change in regards to the indicator settings, since we won't be changing the High Volume Bars indicators settings. Let's now take a look at when to enter into a position. But before that, please leave a like on the video and subscribe to our channel, because we always try to put out the best content for you guys. Thank you for understanding. Now let's look at when to enter into a position. First, set the chart to the 1 hour time frame. We won't be trading on the 1 hour time frame, but we will be setting up the chart on this time frame. Every time there is a spike in volume that is bigger than average in the volume profile indicator, we will put a line at that point. Now do this for all spikes. Now that we have done that, we can change the visibility of the volume profile indicator and head over to the 15-minute time frame. Let me show you when to enter into a buy position. First, the price needs to cross above one of the lines that you previously put on the chart. Secondly, there needs to be a filled-in blue candle before or during this move. The reason why we enter is because we have previously marked this zone with the line, because there is a lot of volume there. This means that if a vector candle in the long direction appears at that zone, the pressure from the volume will likely push the price up even further. Now we will put the stop loss at the previous swing low, and we will target a 2 times risk to reward ratio for the take profit. As you can see, the trade was profitable. Now, let's take a look at when to enter into a sell position. First, the price needs to cross below one of the lines that you previously put on the chart. Secondly, there needs to be a filled-in red candle before or during this move. The reason why we enter is because we have previously marked this zone with the line because there is a lot of volume there. This means that if a vector candle in a short direction appears at that zone, the pressure from the volume will likely push the price down even further. Now we will put the stop loss at the previous swing high and we will target a 2 times risk to reward ratio for the take profit. As you can see, the trade was profitable. I hope we could help you out with your trading with this strategy. Please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment if you have any questions.